This screencast provides information about outcomes enrolled without entry ratings TRAD report. The Enrolled Without Entry Ratings report is one of 6 TRAD reports related to the Global Child Outcomes. You can use this report to get information about children who enrolled in your program who did not receive entry ratings on the 3 Global Child Outcomes. To access the report, select Outcomes Enrolled Without Entry Ratings from the first drop-down menu. To select the time frame for the report, first select a start date in the field labeled From and an end date in the field labeled To. The report will include all children who enrolled and were not assigned entry ratings during the selected time frame. Select a format for the report. All formats present the same information. Click the Generate Report button. When you open the report, you will see a table or spreadsheet. Near the top of the report on row 3, if you chose the Excel version, you see the date and time the report was generated, followed by the number of rows returned. This is the number of children less than 30 months old enrolled during the selected time period who do not have associated entry ratings. The spreadsheet has 13 columns. The first 2 are for the child's last and first names. The third column is for the child's middle initial. This will be blank if no middle name was entered into TKIDS. The fourth and fifth columns show the child's TKIDS case ID and child ID numbers. The sixth and seventh columns contain optional local information, the office ID, and the local ID number if you chose to enter those. The eighth column shows the date the child was enrolled. The next 2 columns should have information only for those children who transferred into your program. The 9th column has the date of the transfer, and the 10th column indicates whether the child transferred in with entry ratings on the Global Child Outcomes. The 11th column indicates the child's date of birth. The last 2 columns show the first and last name of the child's assigned service coordinator.